Self-compassion as chiropractic. So I've had a few kinks in the body for over 2 weeks now, and I usually go for chiropractic adjustment once a month. And I've had a revolving door of guests and fun and frivolity and fireworks and all matters of things and some travel. And today was the last day before I head out on another travel adventure. And I said, I've got 1 hour between work schedule and clients and meetings and trainings and such. And I would use that hour to go get chiropractic. And it started really raining. And I'm like, I don't want to go out in this rain to get a chiropractic adjustment. And what I said is, if the rain has stopped, when I get on my break, I would go for chiropractic. Guess what? The rain stopped. So I had to keep my word to myself, to my body, to my being, and to my well-being, and march my little butt right down, well, another size butt, right down there to get my adjustment. And as usual, Dr. Amy was very glad to see me and quite efficient at making the adjustments in my body to get me some space opened up and get some kinks ironed out. So what is your go-to when you need a little touch-up? Maybe yoga, maybe stretching, maybe chiropractic, maybe prayer, maybe a walk in the woods, maybe hug a tree. Only you know. My encouragement is to be accountable to ourselves in a ever-expanding, ever-deepening way in self-compassion. Whatever that looks like for you, I uplift it. Blessings, friends.